Social Science, Grade 7, Block 16, Understanding Inequality, LP1, Class Inequality by teacher Shikha. In this video, students will be able to examine class inequality as it exists in our society. Children in India who can vote in elections to elect the leaders. So, children in India, every citizen above 18 years of age has the right to vote, irrespective of caste, religion, or whether they are rich or poor, male or female. Though they may have equal right to vote, they may not have equal privileges in other matters. Today we will learn about whether all people have access to equal opportunities in our society or not. Children, please read the comic strip from the section Class Inequality in the content book and write down a few differences between the living and the working conditions of Ramu and Mrs. and Mr. Jain. Based on what you read, let's discuss. What does Ramu do? Where does he live? How are his working and living conditions different from those of the Jains? What does he see when he goes to vote? What happens in the hospital? How were the two situations different while casting the vote and in the hospital? How does Ramu feel about it? Let's discuss. Ramu works as a domestic help in Mrs. and Mr. Jain's house, while Ramu is likely to live in a slum. The Jains live in a bigger and better house and earn more money than Ramu does. Ramu cooks and cleans for the Jains, while Mr. Jain is a rich businessman and Mrs. Jain is a doctor, while both he and the Jains can stand in the same queue to cast their vote. Ramu needs to stand in a separate queue at the hospital, meant only for poor people like him. He feels that someone like Mr. Jain would never have to stand in a queue like him. He would have gone to a better hospital because he has the money to afford it. Children, let's look at this chart, class inequality. Cause people have different jobs, people have different income, live in different types of houses. Those who earn more enjoy more privileges than others. So, children, let's generalize our discussion. What differences do you find between people like Ramu and those like the Jains? Based on what you read, do all people enjoy equal privileges, opportunities? Do they have equal access to resources? Why? Although people might be citizens of the same country, the way they live and how much they earn may be different. Some may earn more, live in better conditions, and hence have easy access to better hospitals and schools, while those who can't afford it are denied those privileges. This has led to class inequality in society. Social class is a division we create amongst ourselves based on how much we earn and how we live. People with better jobs and living conditions may look down upon those who are less privileged. Children, just think, how can we reduce inequality, which is based on the living and working conditions of the people? So, children, we can reduce inequality by respecting a person no matter what her job or living conditions might be, and giving equal opportunities to all. Children, now it's time for some application. Try to solve your worksheet on your own. As I hope topic is clear to you, you should be able to identify differences between people based on their working and living conditions. You should be able to examine class inequality as it exists in our society. Also can suggest ways to reduce inequality from society. Have a great day ahead, children. Take care. Thank you.